Hi everyone, what's up? Episode is a favorite boy of ours. Welcome to my channel. Okay guys, let me ask a quick question. How do I look? How do I look in my new dressing? Okay guys, just tell me in my comment section. So today guys, I'm going to check out my guy. He's no other person than Zhou Shen, guys. I've really missed reacting to Zhou Shen. I've really missed his voice. I've really missed his songs, and I know you guys also do the same. So today I'm going to check out one of his songs where he will be singing Doorbell. We all know how lovely is Zhou Shen. We all know how lovely his voice is, and if you know you're ready to check out this with me, please make sure you hit your like button. Don't forget to join Episode, guys. Please don't forget to join Episode by clicking on your subscribe button and also on your notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I upload a video. If you have any other recommendation, any other suggestion you would like me to do, any other video, please drop me a comment. Unless I forget, guys, if you know you have missed any of Zhou Shen's song, don't worry, don't panic, I got you covered. All you need to do is to click here to watch it, or you can go to my description box because the link to his playlist will be right there. Without waste of time, episode, without keeping you guys waiting, let's do this.
很迟，你有我的地址，信箱里有钥匙，没人知。你是我的眼泪。
Okay, guys, like I said, I've missed Zhou Shen's voice. Like, he has a lovely voice. Like, his fans call him Angel. This is amazing. Like, I always love reacting to Zhou Shen so much. I love his voice. I love how he sings. This is amazing, guys. Let's continue.
琴弦上的玫瑰，天亮时的排队，好词汇，我会自己按门铃，自己听，自己猫上来，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。
This is totally incredible. Like, guys, I'm enjoying this, and please, I would love to get the translation. If anyone actually has that, please do well to drop it in my comment section. I really appreciate that, guys. This is amazing. I love the background. I love this particular Zhou Shen's video. This is incredible. Let's continue. Guys, seriously, like, I'm really enjoying myself. I'm so excited today, guys. I don't know why I'm feeling this way. Like, I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy I'm able to react to this particular song because this has been piling up. Like, I've been getting suggestions, I've been getting recommendations about this particular video. So guys, I decided after saying I'm going to rest for the week, I'm going to stay from not filming videos, but I just said let me do this one because I know Zhou Shen fans have actually missed seeing Zhou Shen. So guys, this is a wonderful performance. This is amazing. I so much enjoyed this video. I'm enjoying myself, and I would love to know if you are enjoying this, or tell me what do you think about this video, what do you feel about this video. Let's do that in my comment section, guys. Let's continue.
我懂你写的诗，我是你的橡皮，你的纸，你要自己按门铃，自己听，自己冒失了，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明，我们自己按门铃，自己听。
He sings with so much energy, guys. guys. Whenever I see Zhou Shen, I'm always happy. Like, I love smiling because there is this peace he gives us when he sings. Like, you tend to enjoy his songs, you tend to feel the song. Like, this is always amazing. This is one thing about Zhou Shen, guys. I so much love this guy, so much. How many seconds did he do that, guys? How many seconds? Wow, I've actually missed that. Yes, like, that was awesome, that was interesting, that was amazing, guys. Wow, Zhou Shen, oh my god. Let's continue.
就写到这儿，想你现在在哪儿？你一定不安宁。
This is incredible performance. This is a very great performance, guys. I love the stage, I love the background, I love the instrumentalists are doing a very great job. They are making us enjoy this song. Like, this is amazing. Let's continue. That was awesome, guys. That was insane. Like, how was he able to do that? That's beautiful. That is totally incredible by Zhou Shen. Like, guys, it looks like every time I react to Zhou Shen, I'm seeing something new. I'm seeing him doing some new stuff. But guys, this guy is awesome. This guy, like, this guy is amazing. He's a great talent. Yes, he's a great talent. I really enjoyed that song, really enjoyed that video, and I don't know if you guys actually did. And I would love to get more of his songs. If you can keep recommending them, I would love to react to more and more of his songs. That was amazing performance. That was excellent performance. And guys, if you know you enjoyed that video and you like that video, please make sure you hit your like button. Don't forget to join FB Squad, guys. Don't forget to join this great family by clicking on your subscribe button and also on your notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I upload a video. If you have any other recommendation, any other suggestion, please do well to drop it in my comment section. Alright, FB Squad, I really enjoyed myself and I hope you guys do the same. See you in my next video. Bye.